Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Fix Flicks. In this tutorial we will look at two methods to export saved bookmarks from Google Chrome on Windows 10. The first simply extracts them from a working copy of Chrome, so we run Chrome to begin. At the main Chrome window we click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner, which opens the main menu. From here we drop down to Bookmarks and move the pointer across, displaying the Bookmarks menu. At this menu, we select Bookmark Manager. Incidentally, we can also open the Bookmark Manager using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-O. We have 5 sample bookmarks saved. If you need a refresher on saving bookmarks, see our Browser Bookmarks Basics tutorial for a full guide. Once again, we select 3 vertical dots to bring up a menu, but be sure to click on the white on blue Bookmarks menu rather than clicking on the main menu a second time, as these buttons are close together. Our bookmark options appear and we drop down to select Export Bookmarks. A Save As dialog box appears, which will allow us to export all of our favourites as a single HTML file, which we can export back into Chrome or any other browser which accepts HTML files. We rename the file to make it meaningful to us, in this instance labelling it Bookmarks Export March 2019. We also change the save location, in this instance by navigating to our Downloads folder. This could just as easily be a USB drive, a memory card or a network drive. And we click Save. The file is now saved and the Save As dialog disappears. We run File Explorer and navigate to our Downloads folder where we find the saved file. Now let's use the saved file to import bookmarks back into Chrome. We open a newly installed copy of Chrome, either on the same machine or an entirely different one, and we note that the bookmarks bar is empty. We once again click on the vertical dots in the upper right and again drop down to Bookmarks, sliding across to reveal the menu from which we select the option to import bookmarks and settings. In the box which appears, we click upon a drop down menu, which offers 3 potential sources from which we can import. As we have a newly prepared HTML file containing our bookmarks, we select this option. Having selected the option to import a file, we now need to choose the relevant file. This opens a dialog box. We navigate to our saved HTML file, in this case found in our Downloads folder. We select the file we previously exported and click Open. We are notified immediately that the import is complete and we click Done, which returns us to the main settings window. Note now, however, that our bookmarks bar is once again populated with the sample bookmarks which we previously exported. But we needn't stop there, as we can also import the exported favourites elsewhere using the same technique. Let's import to Microsoft Edge. We begin by running it from the Start menu. There is a parallel here, and we are again clicking on 3 dots, this time horizontal, in the upper right corner, which again displays the main menu. From here, we drop down to Favourites and click. The Favourites bar displays, and from here, we need to select the cog icon to access settings. In this instance, we have display magnification turned on to make the screen easier to read, so we need to scroll down to reach the Import or Export button, which we click. A quick note here to show that we don't actually need a file if we are importing from an installation of Chrome already on the system, as we can simply select the relevant option. However, as we have a file, we will use it, and therefore we click on Import from File. Now we are back to the Open File dialog, and again we navigate to our Downloads folder where the exported file is saved. We select the file and click Open, which imports our saved favourites into Edge. We now simply click away to close the sidebar. From the main Edge window, we again select the horizontal dots, and the main menu once more appears. We drop down to Favourites and click. Then we click on Bookmarks bar to reveal our imported favourites. Alternatively, simply clicking on the star icon serves the same function. We can now access our favourites with a single click. Now for the second method, which is used to directly extract the bookmarks from within the file system. This is typically used to extract favourites from a broken installation where Chrome will not run. We begin by running File Explorer, and we maximise the window purely for ease of visual reference. From the main File Explorer window, we navigate to this PC, and from there we select the C drive. The full pathway to the file is C, Users, your username, App Data, Local, Google, Chrome, User Data, Default. So from here, we click to open the Users directory. Our username on this PC is TechF, which is a contraction of TechFixFlix, and clearly your username will be something different, and will be the name you use to log into Windows. The next phase is crucial. If you see the app data directory, simply click on it and you're good to go. By default, you won't see the app data directory because it's hidden, and therefore we need to give ourselves the ability to view hidden items. We therefore click on the View tab. We tick the box next to Hidden Items to ensure that they are revealed. This will reveal many folders and files which are hidden by default in Windows, including the app data folder. There are no further obstacles from here to the final files, so we click on App Data, then Local, followed by Google, then Chrome, User Data, and finally Default. Our directory is alphabetically sorted, with folders appearing above Files, so we need to scroll down to where we find our Bookmarks file and its backup bookmarks.back. These files can be copied and transferred to the same directory in a new installation, and the favourites will appear in Chrome once opened. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. If you can provide a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you'd like more, you are very welcome to subscribe to the TechFixFlix YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscription is of course entirely free and provides easy access to all of the videos posted here. Clicking on the neighbouring bell icon means you will be notified whenever a new video is posted. You can also keep in touch by following the official TechFixFlix Twitter account. Until your next TechFix, goodbye.